Good morning, grade ones. Welcome. It is Friday. You made it through another week. Good job. I have been having so much fun with you, taking shapes and making, if I put them in 2 equal parts, it's called a half. And if I take a shape or a pizza or a cake and I break it into 4 equal pieces, it's called a quarter. So we're going to keep talking about halves and quarter. Now I want you to get your textbook and I would like you to open to page 61, okay? And we're going to start at question 2, which is right about the middle of the page. And we're going to look at each of these shapes or objects, and I want you to tell me, are they in half? So have they been broke into 2 equal pieces? Remember, they have to be the same size. Equal means the same size. So let's look at the yellow one. Do you think that is half? Has it been broken into halves? Yes. Let's go over to the pink circle. Has the circle been broken into half? No. Do you see how one side is bigger than the other? They're not equal, so it's not a half. Let's go to our rectangle, our blue rectangle over here. Has that been broken into half? Is each side equal? Are they the same? Yes. Now let's go down to question 3. We're going to talk about quarters. Has the shape been broken into quarters? Let's start with our red rectangle to begin with. Okay, or I was just going to say, is it a square? Is this broken into 4 equal pieces? Are all pieces the same size? Yes, this is quarters. What about our purple circle? Has it been broken into 4 pieces? Yes, each piece is the same size. Okay, and how about our kite? Has our kite been broken into equal pieces? No. Do you see these top 2 triangles? They are smaller than the bottom ones. So our kite is not it's not 4 equal pieces. 2 are the same and 2 are the same, but not all 4 of them are not the same. And in your workbook today, you're going to do exercise 41, and there are going to be a picture. And in the box, I want you to say yes or no to the question. So the word yes and no is at the top, so you know how to spell it. And the first one says, the watermelon is cut into halves. Is it broken into half? 2 equal pieces. If you think the watermelon is in 2 equal pieces, I want you to write yes here. If you think they're not the same, then you put no. You're going to do the same thing with the pizza. You're going to do the same thing with our triangle here. And you're going to do, okay, now watch when you get to the bottom. It's now going to say, is this shape broken into a quarter? Is the shaded part a quarter of the shape? Meaning is it broke into 4 equal, the same size pieces? And you're going to do yes or no. You're going to turn the page over and then you're going to have some more things. And where the line is, you have to tell me, is it broken into halves or is it broken, does it show a quarter? Okay? So read the question and then answer yes or no. The last thing that you're going to do is exercise 43, where we're going to use our shapes and we're going to do a pattern with them. So if you look at the top one here, we have this side and then we do this side. Then we go back to the first side, the second side, the first side of the triangle, and I want you to color in which side of the triangle comes next in our pattern. Okay, and I hope you picked the last piece. That would finish off our pattern. Same thing here. Top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. You'll color in the bottom one. The same with our circle, go across. You'll do this on this page, and you'll continue on the next page. So you're going to color in the last shape that completes the pattern. And so watch how you go there. So exercise 41 and 43 that you're going to do today. Okay? And I hope you have a great weekend and enjoy.